Good morning, students. Now we are in the second part of the series. How to calculate a to the power n. That means anything is in the power, you can easily calculate. Last class we have studied that how to calculate a square. It was very simple, into equals to. So if you would have gradually observed that when in power number 2 is appearing, we have pressed equals to once. So with that logic, if we apply in this sum, that in this sum the power is 5. So when power was 2, we pressed equal to once. When power is 5, we will press equals to 4 times. Yes, you are correct. This is the exact logic behind this. How to calculate a to the power n? It is very simple. Type a in the calculator, then press equals to once, then press into once, and then press equals to n minus 1 times. Press equals to n minus 1 times. That means here we are solving the power of 5. So we have to press equals to 4 times. Look at this. Type 1.04. Type 1.04. Then press equals to. Then press into. Sorry, once again restart. Type 1.04. Then press into. Then press equals to 4 times. Just similar to center shock. When you have center fresh, it seems like shock laga. Like you need to press equals to, equals to, equals to, equals to. Clear? Clear? Equals to 4 times. I have seen when I have taught this to my students have pressed equals to and then into 4. Wrong, 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 wrong. If you want to watch it once again, I'm telling you, you have to type the number 1.04 and then into and then equals to 4 times. Equals to, equals to, equals to, equals to. You will get the answer. You will get the answer. Clear? 1.04 into equals to 4 times. So guys, if you want to calculate 1.03 whole to the power 6, what you gonna do? 1.03 into equals to how many times? 5 times. If you gonna calculate 8 equals to how many times? 7 times. In this way, we can do it. But sir, there is a question in my mind. What is that, dear student? That one question is, say for example, sir, we need to calculate something to the power 40. We need to calculate something to the power 40. No issue, my dear student. We have learned laws of indices. When we have studied that chapter, we know a law. That is a to the power m. That means m is the power of a. Whole to the power n. N is the power of a to the power m. Or we can say power of a power. So a to the power m whole to the power n gets a to the power mn. So when the power is huge, we will break it into smaller part. We will break it into smaller part. Just similarly like this. See? How to calculate a to the power 30. That is 1.04 whole to the power 30. 30 we have break into 6 into 5. So first we will calculate 1.04 to the power 6 and then we will calculate 1.04 whole to the power 6 power 5. So first we are taking 6 as the power of 1.04 and then we are taking 5 as a power of 1.04 to the power 6. It's very simple. Large numbers we need to break it into smaller components. Large number we need to break into smaller components. Clear? Look at this. Please press 1.04, then press into once and then press equals to 5 times. As soon as you press equals to 5 times, you have got the answer for 1.04 whole to the power 6. You have got the answer for 1.04 whole to the power 6. Clear? Next, again press into and then press equals to 4 times. Now this is, we have calculate 5 as the power for 1.04 to the power 6. The entire result is going to give me 1.04 whole to the power 30. The entire thing is going to give me 1.04 whole to the power 30. Once again I am repeating. Say for example, we take power 40. We take power 40, 1.02 whole to the power 40. 1.02 whole to the power 40. What you gonna do? Just watch the steps at the left hand corner. Watch the steps. Watch the steps very carefully. Type 1.02. So first you need to think in which two powers, or you can also use 3. But now we are using 2 breakups. 8 into 5. We are breaking 40. The power 40 is as 8 into 5. So 1.02 done. Press into once. Then press equals to 7 times. Equals to, equals to, equals to, equals to, equals to, equals to, equals to. This gives me 1.02 to the power 8. Now we are taking 5 as the power. Then again into once. Again equals to, equals to, equals to, equals to 4 times. Why, sir? Because 5 is the power, and when 5 is the power, we press equals to n minus 1 times. The entire result is the answer of 1.02 whole to the power 40. So you remember one of the dialogues of Avengers Endgame? What did Thanos says? I am inevitable. I am inevitable. And what did the Iron Man said? I am Iron Man. So similarly, when you learn the calculator secrets of CA Vivek Patwari, then whatever be the power, whatever be the power, whatever be the power, you can simply say that I am calculator superpower. Clear? You need to know these secrets carefully and you need to practice it a lot of times. Okay? Thank you. Wait for the part 3.